Good morning, children. Today, you all have your lunch, breakfast, and everything. What did you have in your breakfast? Idli, upma, dosa. These are all South Indian dishes. In the breakfast, we'll be having. Some people they have eggs, omelette. They do omelette. What did you have today? Because you all have to work a lot, isn't it? For the day-to-day activities, the physical activities which we do it, we need energy. From where do we get this energy? Isn't it the food we eat? The lesson is that food we eat, the different items food we eat, isn't it? So tasty food, very tasty food. The way we see, sometimes we get the good smell of that. Immediately we'll go then mouth littering the food items we eat, and the fruits also we see when on the street sides we feel like having it, that one. And the vegetables also, green vegetables, that also when we see we feel like buying it and cutting it and cooking it and eat. Cooked food only we eat. Why do we eat the cooked food only? Later we'll come to that point. But to do our day-to-day activities, we need food. Because sometimes it so happens that we keep on doing our work, we don't remember. But sometimes we feel suddenly weak. Why? What's the reason? So that is why, that is one. And sometimes we will have a full stomach food, and different daily we don't eat one type of food only, we will be having the different types of food, isn't it? We need to eat the different types of food only. One type of food will not give us the energy, so that is why we need to eat all the types of food to do all the types of activities daily, day to day. Suppose if we are working, hard working people, they are different, their food eating is also different, type of is also different, and the people who are not working properly, so there is, that is also different, they will eat very little. Then children like you must eat full, and different types of food also you must eat. Otherwise what happens, it affects on your body, it affects on your growth also. So in the looks also it gives the different. So that is why I tell you, I suggest you to have the different types of food. Definitely we should have the selective items also in that, then but you must eat at least little also, because then I'll tell you why it is like that. Because see, different food items, it affects on our body the different ways, isn't it? So all the food items will have some sort of nutrients in that. So to do different activities, different things will affect on your body. So this different substances in the different food. So these substances are called nutrients. These substances are called nutrients. So you might have understood by this time what is the lesson number. Lesson number 5. The food you eat. The food you eat. Isn't it? Because some children, they don't get proper food. You can see them, they will be weak. They cannot do continuously their work. After some time, after 1 hour, 2 hours, they need to take rest. But you can see the healthy child or healthy baby, how they grow. They will be growing tall and healthy. The look is also different, and it affects on your thinkings also. Thoughts also will affect. So that is why. What is you need? From where do we get this energy? We get this energy from the food we eat. You need energy to work and play. Food provides this energy to us, isn't it? So what are the food items are there? So all the food items will have, different food items will have the different nutrients, substances. Those are called the nutrients, and it affects on to grow, to remain healthy while fighting diseases. Suppose if we, something is lacking, suppose if we don't eat the bitter gourd, because bitter gourd is also one which will have some vitamins in that to fight by diseases. So if we don't eat that one, I don't tell you that you must and should eat, but all the food items you must eat. That is why nutrients and gives you energy. So different foods have different nutrients. What are those nutrients? Number one, there are 5 types of nutrients are there. What are they? First one is proteins, Proteins, proteins. Second is carbohydrates, Carbohydrates, carbohydrates. Third is fats, and fourth is vitamins, 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 and fifth is minerals, Minerals. These are the 5 types of nutrients. They are present in all the types of food items, isn't it? So we eat only one type of food will not give you the proper energy, proper nutrients, isn't it? If you eat only rice, does it work? No, it will not work. If you eat only chapati, does it work? No, it will not work. So you need curry also with that, isn't it? So that is why you have to eat all the sorts of food items, even the pulses and cereals. Pulses and cereals you must and should eat in your regular diet, and fruits and vegetables also you must add into that. Some people they eat only vegetables, fruits and all, so they are called vegetarians, and some people they eat only non-veg. Non-veg items, the food we get from the animals are called, those food items also we must eat, because in that also some nutrients are present. So that also will give the energy, strength to do work and everything, all the different physical activities. So these are the nutrients are present. Suppose if you eat only the non-veg, does it work out? No, you need to eat along with that fruits and vegetables also. Cereals also you must eat. Cereals, rice, wheat, bread, these are all comes under the cereals. So that is also one thing. So to get the carbohydrates, what you have to eat? You must eat the sweets, energy, potato and all. You will get the energy from, this is the carbohydrates of the energy giving fruits, energy giving foods. So you must eat at least small piece of sweets. Some children they don't like sweet to eat sweets, but you shouldn't. You have to eat to get the energy, the instant energy. It boosts. Suppose when you are feeling hungry, what will you do? Simply will you drink water? No, you will not drink water. First, what you have to eat? Eat chocolate, a piece of sweet, anything, burfi or peda or anything you can eat, and then drink water. See, immediately you will get the energy. So instant energy giving is the carbohydrate, sweets and all gives. Suppose if you eat banana, also it gives you the good energy. So carbohydrates are present in different food items. So you need to eat all those things. So you need energy to work and play. Food provides you this energy to grow, remain healthy by fighting diseases. Different foods will give you different nutrients. What are those nutrients? These are the 5 types of nutrients are there. One is proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins and minerals. These are the 5 types of nutrients present in different types of foods you eat. It affects on your growth also, on the way you look also. It is different, isn't it? So that is why I suggest you to eat. Now some of the food items are given in the textbook, page number 226. Page number 226, you can see the bread, sugar, bananas, rice, roti, potatoes are the carbohydrates. The starch is presented into that. The sweet, it gives you the instant energy. Carbohydrates give the energy. Then you can see the milk, fish, egg, then sprouted seeds. One more thing, those things also you must and should at least once in a week or twice in a week we must eat the sprouted seeds. What are those? I'll show you in the next video. But till then you have to open the textbook, page number 225, and read this paragraph. Okay. Sprouted seeds, just bobarlu or kabuli chana or green gram, Bengal gram. These things comes under the sprouted seeds. You have to see the rice, dal and all. Just go into the kitchen and take out some dals, wheat, rice. Have a look. Then good bobarlu you say in Telugu. So that also you can take out and see how nice it is. Those things, those comes under the seeds. So that also will give you the good strength, energy to work and play. For children like you, developing and growing, so you must and should eat those things also to fight by diseases. Suppose if anything is lacking in our body, vitamin, calcium, or sometimes it is lack of carbohydrates or fats or something like that. So somewhere it will be pains we get, isn't it? So that is why to fight by this we must and should have the different types of food items to get the different nutrients present in it. So all the 5 types of nutrients should be present in our body. What are those different types of nutrients and all we will study into the next class. Thank you.